speed, and recklessness. Yes, he avoided an accident by taking a completely different direction.
Trucks behind me.
The dump truck is deeply stuck in the soft sand, its wheels sinking and unable to move. A large wheel loader approaches, hooking up a cable and pulling with powerful force. After several attempts, the dump truck slowly inches forward, finally escaping the challenging sand trap. Absolutely amazing. The car narrowly escapes the grip of death in true Hollywood style. Leave a subscribe to our channel to see even more unexpected incidents. The tractor roars, using its full power to pull out the remaining tree stump. The cable stretches tight. The wheels sink slightly into the ground before the stump shakes and finally gets uprooted. An efficient way to clear the land, preparing it for the next task. Just like a high-stakes Hollywood action scene. The reckless tire bursts while in motion, as if it's ready to end its long, exhausting days of work. Have you ever wondered how logs are harvested in factories? The Ponzi Scorpion KH7 ACFC delivers high harvesting efficiency with advanced technology, maximizing productivity and precision in the forestry industry. A heavy collision, but luckily nothing serious happened. This serves as a valuable lesson for everyone to stay alert when crossing railway tracks. A rare incident on the street. Have you ever encountered such an incident? How foolish. The Kubler-Spedition heavy transport convoy moves slowly along the Hotzenwald Road, strictly escorted by the police. Watching these massive machines roll forward with such grandeur, I can truly sense the importance and scale of this journey, both impressive and thrilling. Awesome. That's also a great way to remove an old tree stump, right, everyone? Oversized transport made the journey challenging, but with the driver's calmness and intelligence, he successfully conquered the steep slope. Oh, it's a shame to see this beautiful house being demolished, but I'm sure it will be replaced with a bigger and even more beautiful one. The massive Roerborg ship slowly slides into the water, creating a giant wave with white foam spraying everywhere. The crowd cheers excitedly, witnessing the spectacular moment. As the ship gradually stabilizes on the sea, it marks the beginning of a promising journey. The 2024 corn harvest season at Crossroad Farms brings joy and excitement. The golden fields stretch endlessly, filled with the rhythmic hum of harvesting machines. Watching the plump ears of corn being gathered, I can truly feel the pride and happiness after days of hard work. Luckily, the water tanker truck passed by just in time. That's a gentle lesson for the driver on the importance of following traffic laws. That was a perfect J-turn combined with an impressive 360-degree flip kick. This serves as an important reminder. Always maintain a safe speed while driving to avoid unpredictable risks on the road. The heavy-duty logging truck powers through the rugged terrain of the Great Northern Maine Forest. Changing lanes caused a truck to flip over like a Hollywood stunt scene. Absolutely amazing. Under the skilled hands of experts, with just a compact handsaw and precision, they effortlessly and safely brought down a massive tree. The transport skills are truly impressive. The LKT-81 Turbo roars through the forest, hauling massive logs after harvesting. Its large wheels conquer the rugged terrain, while the powerful engine runs at full capacity. Each tree trunk is swiftly transported, ensuring an efficient logging operation.
By securing the winch cable high on the tree trunk and directing the fall, you minimize the risk of damage or injury. The people who do this job are more than just fellers. They are climbers, engineers, and foresters all in one. It is a dangerous profession where every step requires respect for nature and its power. When faced with a large oak tree, safety is always the top priority. With the powerful style saw, you will have complete control over each precise cut. Combined with the assist winch system, handling is easier than ever, eliminating any worries about unexpected movements. Another way to handle tree stumps is to use a drilling rig system with outstanding mechanical advantages. This MA35, one setup, combined with a compact 18 horsepower tractor, makes stump pulling easy and powerful. Humper Stump Grinder, a monster machine that crushes every tree. Nothing can stop it. Imagine, even the most stubborn tree stumps must surrender to its sharp saw blade and superior strength. Do you want to witness this terrible power? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to admire these impressive performances with us. Clear the area around the tree and prepare an escape route. These are important steps when cutting down a tree. Komatsu 951XC Super Machine for wood harvesting with powerful hydrostatic transmission, conquering all terrains. The intelligent C164 cutting system, controlled by computer, ensures absolute accuracy and optimizes working efficiency. Let Komatsu 951XC help you increase productivity and reduce costs. We all want to get the most out of our money, but overloading LKT81 is like trying to squeeze every last bit of toothpaste from the tube. You can get a little more, but it makes a mess, consumes a lot of fuel, and is unsafe. Work smarter, not harder. The John Deere 1110E is doing excellent work in the winter snowy woods, overcoming all difficulties thanks to the driver's skill. With power and smooth control, the machine easily moves on slippery terrain. If you face a similar challenge, don't hesitate. With patience and determination, you will master any situation. Bandit Beast 4680 wood chipper is a 250 HP machine perfect for forestry management, effectively turning wood into wood chips. This is an important friend in sustainable forestry activities, when wood chips can be utilized to produce biomass energy or particle board. With a superior engine, the machine processes large logs up to 900 m in diameter, ensuring forest resources are always replenished promptly. Thanks to the crane's outstanding power, large logs are processed quickly and impressively. Wow! Just looking at the huge size of this cedar tree, even when it was hollowed out, it was enough to see that this was a difficult battle. Such giant trees do not appear often, and taking them down is truly an amazing achievement. Without the support of powerful machines, I really don't know what would happen next. Are you curious to know which machine did this? Cutting down trees like this may be for the purpose of logging, but is this method really reasonable when there are more sustainable solutions to protect forests? This is how the Bilky S3 Vedmaskin works, a reliable woodcutter, perfect for felling trees and sawing wood. With a powerful capacity of up to 30 kW and the ability to cut wood up to 350 m in diameter, the machine easily handles large logs, providing optimal performance for wood cutting work. Flexible operating mechanism helps users easily control and handle work without difficulty. Specialized machines quickly remove the bark and prepare the wood for the next step. The lumber is moved along a conveyor belt to the cutting area, where precision industrial saws cut them into slats. Every step in the process goes smoothly, from processing the bark to cutting the wood. Finally, the logs are loaded onto trucks, ready for delivery. We have the Kenworth T880S here, observing its awesome power as it tackles the slope with 35 lb logs, demonstrating its superior engineering capabilities. Cutting down trees is a challenging job, even with machine. With the E50 excavator, removing 2 large tree stumps became a lesson in strength and precision. The 50 horsepower engine operates smoothly, providing enough power to dig deep into the ground and pull up stubborn tree stumps weighing nearly 500 kg each. The impressive hydraulic arm not only provides power but also allows control of every small movement. Each pull is carefully calculated, ensuring it does not affect the surrounding area. West Teak's engineers have created a miracle with the G1650 wood cutting machine. With an impressive 1650 working width and intelligent design, the machine maximizes efficiency and minimizes downtime. Built for the long haul, the G1650 features durable components and a sturdy frame, ready to endure the harshest conditions. Cubic 2 is not just a machine, but a breakthrough in the firewood processing industry. With its durable and efficient design, it optimizes the entire process, helping to reduce labor and increase productivity. Although the initial investment cost is quite high, from $10,000 to $15,000 USD for professional manufacturers, the ROI is very clear in saving time, improving performance, and increasing profits. Different from traditional saws, hardwood cutting bells have a sturdy design, sharp cutting blades, and flexible adjustment capabilities, helping to handle wood up to 20 inches in diameter and 10 feet long. This tool cuts wood quickly, saves 30% of time, reduces production costs, and improves productivity by up to 20%, providing outstanding efficiency. The pull was strong, the Truella monkey winch with the cable tightened, and finally, the giant tree stump was uprooted from the ground, leaving a gap in the ground. Isn't it amazing? The next interesting machine is the Dipperfox 850, a stump drill with 150 horsepower, 20-inch depth, and a reverse universal cutting joint. The machine has a working width of 33 inches, a cutting disc rotation speed of 4,000 RPM, and a weight capacity of 3,300 lbs. The Dipperfox 850 is ideal for logging, gardening, and land treatment, priced from $25,000 to $35,000 USD. The MSF router machine responds perfectly from simple cuts to sophisticated sculpted details. With speeds up to 30,000 RPM and an adjustable cutting depth from 0 to 50 m, the machine allows precise and flexible cutting. Capacity from 900W to 1200W helps the machine operate strongly and stably on all types of wood. The work of loading wood onto Balak trucks requires both strength and care. Under the sweltering sun of the tropical forest, workers must operate cranes to lift large and heavy logs onto trucks. Although cranes help reduce drudgery, the job is still inherently risky, requiring precise coordination and strict discipline to avoid accidents. On a summer morning in the forest near the Burro Grand Prix racetrack, a group of workers led by Jack cut down about 30 large trees, each 50 cm in diameter, to create space for the event. The 10-ton crane is used to transport logs, weighing 2-3 tons. Despite the hard work, everyone is proud to have contributed to creating space for the race while protecting the environment. When the event started, Mr. Jack felt satisfied with the results of his work. Looks like he's working with some interesting machinery. The Lloyd automatic tile saw definitely needs a little adjustment for optimal performance, especially when the blade needs to be replaced. On the other hand, it's great to hear that the swing tile saw is still working well. Surely you feel satisfied when everything runs smoothly with this type of machine. Are you using these sawmills for a specific project or just servicing the machines? The perfect duo of the ER3 excavator harvesting head and the Dosindi X62R excavator, with a powerful 55.4Q engine, is a comprehensive solution for logging operations. The R3 harvesting head, with the ability to flexibly process timber up to 50 cm in diameter, together with the mobile excavator, creates an efficient working system, minimizing time and labor, bringing maximum profits for businesses. Business Special Equipment has just launched a forest harvester in Tvir, based on a Chinese Lichid 240.8F excavator and an Austrian Woody 60 harvester. The machine is equipped with wood trucks, automatic fire protection and extinguishing systems, and a reversing camera, ensuring high efficiency. The customer is very satisfied with the results. Machine price is about $250,000 USD. The harvesting log, Max 4000T head cutter mounted on the Hitachi Zaxxas 135 US excavator demonstrates the ability to accurately cut, split, and classify wood trees. The Log Max 4000T helps reduce processing time and increase productivity. Hitachi Zaxxas 135 US excavator with flexible mobility supports working in hard-to-reach areas. This combination brings maximum efficiency for safe forest exploitation work. To protect the long-term health of redwood forests, strategic thinning is important, helping young trees grow stronger. WOOD, CRA, CKER, CL260. Imkurzum Trieb is an impressive machine with wood processing capabilities that helps you save time and increase productivity. If you like this machine, please click like for me. A day on the job with Marvin, a log truck driver at DMH, is a challenging and intense journey. Starting early in the morning, Marvin drove a wooden cart to transport large quantities of trees from the forest to the processing factory. Throughout the workday, Marvin coordinates seamlessly with his colleagues, braving harsh weather conditions and ensuring on-time deliveries. On the West Coast, felling large cedar trees with the springboard method requires a high degree of skill. The worker first cut a groove into the tree trunk, then placed the board in there to work on. From this height, they continue to use handsaws or chainsaws to cut down trees, avoiding thick roots and many knots. This technique requires not only dexterity, but also physical strength and extreme concentration. Wow, giant tree stump. Given the machine's size and price, I expected it to handle tree stumps easily. Seeing how they recycle trees into soil is truly sustainable forestry. Although it takes more time than burning, it is much better for long-term forest health. Imagine making difficult wood splitting easy with the W1000 wood splitter. With a durable, flexible, and easy-to-use design, the sturdy steel construction increases performance and reduces friction, delivering outstanding results. This is truly the optimal solution, bringing benefits to both users and work. Imagine the sound of horse hooves echoing through the Montana woods instead of the sound of an engine. This traditional logging profession reminds us of a simple time when people and animals worked together, a connection to a past that we should not forget. Stump removal just got a whole lot easier with the Savannah 1720 stump remover, a true beast. It pulls out that stump with no problem, and when combined with the Savannah rotary rake, you can clear 20-40 acres a day. This is the future of land clearing. The image you see on the screen is a stump grinder called the Carlton 7015 TRX that can grind $400 worth of oak stumps in just 7 minutes. To use, check the motor, blade, and hydraulic system before operating. When working, always wear protective equipment such as eyeglasses and gloves and maintain a safe distance. If working on difficult terrain, use a tractor to help move the machine more easily. Imagine a wood chipper that can handle any job you throw at it. That's the PTH 1300/1500M Pizzolato. This track machine has a radio-controlled drum and a massive 796 horsepower Volvo engine. But this is the highlight of having no crane or hydraulic fan, which means the drum has more power, making shredding smoother without having to look far for a machine. What is the point of cutting down trees like this when there appear to be better ways of sustainable forest management? Image of an excavator at work, removing large tree stumps with a special tool, using a stiff hook to cut and pull the stump from the ground. The tough tree roots are easily swept up, and then the stump is lifted and moved to another location. This process not only helps free up space for further work, but also ensures tree stump removal without impacting the forest environment. HEAAZOH, a CK14800 AROCES with a weight of tens of tons, is famous in the wood processing industry. Specialized machine for chopping hardwood such as oak and walnut into pieces of uniform size from 2.5 km. Automatic feeding system and continuous conveyor ensure smooth working process. In particular, the water cooling system helps the machine operate stably for a long time, minimizing overheating. Langhole spalter and hole spalter are optimal wood crushing machines with crushing jaws 700 m wide and pressure up to 22 tons. Crafted from super strong steel, The machine is not only durable, but also extremely easy to operate. With advanced technology, these machines offer a woodworking experience, helping you process any type of wood with ease. Get ready to explore this machine's outstanding capabilities in your work. You will definitely love this DIY project, a homemade unicorn-style wood splitter. Made from an old table saw, this is a creative solution that helps you easily split wood into pieces. This project not only saves money, but also provides the satisfaction of completing a useful tool yourself. If you ever work with wood, such as in making outdoor furniture or gardening, then this wood splitter will definitely save you time and effort. This is the Tiger X822 Deller Buncher, a true steed perfectly adapted to the harsh terrain of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. In particular, do not ignore the outstanding power of the TigerCat 5702 HOTW, a machine capable of felling the largest hardwood and softwood trees with incredible accuracy. When good trees rebel, they fall in unexpected directions, turning safety into danger in the blink of an eye. Admire this exciting model, the Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processing machine. With 125 horsepower and a powerful motor, it cuts through logs like a hot knife through butter, creating perfect pieces of firewood at incredible speeds. This machine is truly the turning point for any professional wood-burning operation. The first day of the campaign to remove the 70-meter-tall mountain ash tree in the Dandenong Ranges was exciting. The tree had to be cut down because a large tree nearby had fallen, exposing its roots and causing danger. In the video, the tree can clearly be seen falling. The team worked brilliantly, especially Kev Price, the skillful rigging operator, turning a difficult task into an impressive performance. Wow! This machine is truly a brave warrior, with such tremendous torque that I'm surprised the Earth hasn't fallen out of its orbit yet. This is a classic example of misjudging the situation. Just a moment of inattention is enough to lead to disaster. SIS U-Polar Euro 5 wood transporting machine, ready to face all challenges on difficult terrain. Are you ready to test its power? This is no joke, people. Forestry Disc C-Mulcher is a true game changer. It crushes 4-inch material like nothing and handles 8-inch trees with ease. With replaceable teeth and a powerful motor, this machine is ready to face any challenge. You have to see it with your own eyes to believe it. Look at this vehicle that they replaced to do the job of uprooting trees. Hey guys, Norwood really outdid themselves with the OS-27 line. This sawmill is a game changer, combining top features in one economical package. You'll get legendary Norwood quality and performance without the cost. This is a hard-working device designed to stand the test of time. Trust me, from a long-time professional, this machine is steel. The D8 bulldozer, while an engineering marvel, has become a symbol of unsustainable land use. Its power to deforest for agriculture has caused biodiversity loss, soil erosion, and climate change. In 2022, we will lose 12.7 million hectares of irreplaceable forests. It is necessary to find a balance between agricultural needs and environmental protection. The Valmet 84.3 Transport offers an outstanding advantage in logging thanks to its excellent off-road capabilities. This not only increases uptime, but also reduces cycle times, even in harsh conditions. The result is significantly improved productivity and profits. Investing in this machine is a strategy that brings a clear competitive advantage. At Oravikoski, Lepverta, the wood was transported by truck to the release point, then lowered into the water and assembled into a raft about 30 meters long and 10 meters wide. These rafts will be floated on the 250 km waterway towards the southern Samaya areas such as Jotsino and Lapin Ranta, serving the wood processing industry. The NHS 450F possesses the ability to accept trees up to 450 m in diameter and produce 35 m of debris, making it ideal for thermal power plants. The machine's efficiency has been certified by the Forestry Department of the University of Copenhagen, providing high-quality biomass fuel for industrial heating systems. The Woodbine Pro 20 firewood processor was introduced at the 2012 Three County Fair, MA capable of cutting large logs with a high-performance chainsaw. The machine can cut wood into 8-inch pieces, process quickly thanks to a powerful hydraulic system. With its durable and sturdy construction, the Pro 20 is the ideal tool for small and large-scale firewood production. Oh my gosh, that Charles homemade wood chipper I just saw is amazing! I didn't expect he could create such a masterpiece from seemingly scrap materials. That day, under the autumn sunlight, a group of workers began cutting down about 50 feet of dead trees in the Papillon Pihan garden. Large trees slowly fall, making the cracking sound of dry branches crumbling, helping to protect the garden from the risk of forest fire. Image of 2 ancient oak trees in the garden that have stood for hundreds of years, but the stumps have begun to rot. The Lofty Heights tree crew were called in to carefully remove the giant tree's branches without affecting surrounding homes. The sight of tree branches falling to the ground created a resounding sound, causing the whole neighborhood to stir. Huey Anderson's Hayes HDX winch pulled the logging truck uphill with amazing power, lifting it off the hillside to transport logs to the Snug Cove dock, leaving Henderson Lake, BC in awe. Caterpillar Lean is one of the famous wood sawing machines from the early 20th century, widely used in the wood industry. The machine cuts wood with a circular saw blade. Then the wood is fed into the machine and held tightly by clamping parts. Then the circular saw blade cuts the wood into panels or bars according to the required size, with cutting thickness from 0.8 to 3.1 inches and up to 300 horsepower. It can be operated by steam or electric engines, increasing the speed and accuracy of wood cutting. Image of a ship filled with 100 large trees approaching the riverbank. The mechanical system on the ship began to drop each log into the river, creating gentle waves. The unloading process went smoothly. The ship completed unloading and prepared for the next trip. With strong experience from Kafka Granite and a recent partnership with Savannah Global Solutions, their cutting-edge equipment promises to revolutionize earth-moving. These solutions will help biodynamic plantations, land development projects, and the global agriculture industry increase efficiency and set new industry standards. The HYP RO 450 XL system with MD 430 and grading logging functionality has revolutionized the wood industry. As the wood is loaded, the MD 430 sensors scan and collect data on size up to 18 inches, moisture content, and other characteristics. This system will classify wood accurately, helping to optimize production. Each log is bar-coded, ensuring transparency and accuracy in the production process. Cutter Bar TGR 155 ROLME X brings peace of mind to users thanks to its outstanding performance and durability. With a sharp blade and the ability to handle wood up to 6 inches in diameter, the device cuts wood quickly and accurately. With its rugged design, this device brings long-term reliability to projects. Big X. Facing massive timber blocks, nothing is more effective than the X118 saw paired with the 1830M excavator. All right, let's talk about this hanging tree. It's like a ticking time bomb, and no one wants to go near it. But this guy bravely stepped up because he saw the danger and understood the risks. He knew he had to do something like defusing a bomb, except the bomb was an enormous, unpredictable tree. His nerves of steel deserve a medal. In the forestry industry, safety is always the top priority. Those who work in the forest know the daily challenges. Some days are easy, some days are just wishful thinking. But as long as everyone gets home safely, it's a win. And this man has over 10 years of forestry experience. Engineered to optimize every operation, this duo makes docking and cutting wood effortless, whether it's hardwood, softwood, or any type of wood. With unmatched power and absolute precision, this equipment is ready to conquer any challenge, delivering unparalleled work efficiency. Oh my gosh, we should definitely try this, and this technique will definitely save you some effort. Honestly, I'm still confused about why the tree stump caught fire. And why this guy decided to cut it down while it was still burning. Can someone please explain this to me? Leave a comment below and help me out. Oh my God! A large tree falls during a Christmas snowstorm in Quebec City. Behold, the ERT-400 reclaiming this land leviathan, a symphony of steel and power. Watch as it effortlessly devours this stubborn tree stump. Its relentless teeth tear through wood and roots with primal fury. It's even likened to a dance of destruction, fueled by raw strength, a masterpiece of machinery. Chaos. It truly is a beast among machines. Yes. That is why dead tree disposal is such an important job. Oh, the HYPRO 765HB processor is a powerful and efficient tool for deliming and debarking eucalyptus tree. With its modern design and advanced technology, the HYPRO 765HB easily tackles tough tasks, enabling quick and precise trimming and debarking. Its incredible strength shines not only in its ability to work continuously, but also in its capacity to overcome challenges in harsh conditions. This is the ideal choice for those who need a durable and robust tool for wood processing tasks. Damn! The rise of machines when treated so badly. Next, we'll show you how the Morbark 1300 B-tub grinder works. This massive machine is designed to handle large volumes of wood waste. Its Caterpillar C32 engine delivers up to 15 horsepower, powering the enormous 31-inch diameter cutting wheel. An integrated control system provides real-time machine diagnostics, optimizing performance and minimizing downtime. With a robust separation system and dust suppression technology, the 1300B ensures efficient, environmentally friendly operation. Oh my God. This is amazing. I didn't think cutting trees could be so scary. Yes, this is one of the challenges for beginners using this saw. Depending on the location of the tree, we will have different cutting techniques. And the way the tree falls will also be different. Be careful and get out of the area as quickly as possible. Too bad. At least it wasn't tied down. For him, a wasted saw was better than a serious wound. Listen up, folks. Removing tree stumps has never been easier with the Savannah 1720 tree stump remover, a real powerhouse. It effortlessly pulls tree stumps out of the ground without any trouble. When combined with the Savannah rotary rake, you can clear 20 to 40 acres of land in a single day. That's an incredible number. This is the future of land clearing, delivering superior efficiency and saving time. Wow! Your saw sounds like a bug and cuts very fast. Would you like to own it? Oh my God. This is about to become a reality, the version where man meets nature, and the 390 XPG is screaming that the spirit of style is deeply embedded, with this logger refusing to back down. Who will win this showdown? Stay tuned, because this is his best movie yet. If you're exploring the superior power of the Vail products, skid steer rotating tree saw ASVR T120, don't miss the chance to boost your work efficiency. Hit like now to experience this ideal tool that helps you easily conquer large trees and elevate your work quality. With advanced safe block technology, the worker adjusts the cable delicately, helping to lower the tree safely and accurately, minimizing risks to both the project and himself. A 40-meter tall oak tree. And cutting down such a tall tree is no easy task. It was even infected with a fungus, bark scorch fungus, Schiller porling, making it incredibly dangerous. However, these brave workers diligently completed the job with professionalism. Felling an oak tree and bringing it down to the ground is a huge challenge. Climbing up and dismantling it is truly a tough job. They really did an excellent job. Oh my God, a 200 horsepower crane is being used to remove a large tree that fell onto the house. The tree, about 15 meters tall and weighing over 1 ton, has caused serious damage to the roof. Beautiful scenery. Working in the woods requires skill and efficiency with a bit of showmanship. Great job. The Bucard Thierry D. Bardage 6155M skidder is equipped with a 155 horsepower engine, specially designed for hauling wood in challenging terrain. With the ability to transport large volumes of timber, the machine can handle tree trunks with diameters of up to 60 km. The powerful winch system and durable design of the 6155M optimize the logging and wood transport process in forestry. Surveillance cameras recorded the moment of an unexpected incident when a man used a table saw, and he hopes that others will learn from his mistakes. Damn, this guy's worst day at work. It seemed he misjudged that cut and created a trap, giving himself time to think again. Damn, they also didn't expect this to happen. Storm Sandy tree cutter is causing many dangers. God, what a lousy day at work for a wood sawyer. Oh my God! This is the definition of professionalism of these professionals. Subscribe to the channel now to not miss interesting moments about wood sawing machines. To become a talented worker in the chaotic forest after a storm, you must spend several years accumulating experience and practicing skills. This is clear proof that sawing wood is not just a job, but an art that requires solid knowledge and skills. Indeed, those without experience will struggle to face such a challenge. It's definitely an amateur's game. Again, a dangerous situation with the tree on the hill. It was a wise choice for the man to use the log for stability before cutting. My heart seemed to stop beating. From the disaster, it was surprising that he walked away unharmed. The danger is not a rolling log or a broken branch. Unexpected things always happen. What will you do? Things get worse. And this short clip teaches me the lesson: a fool with tools is still a fool. What a bad idea. Never cut the top of the tree like this to save time. Hurricane Irene caused severe damage, downing trees and power lines, leaving many areas without power and traffic congestion. The storm's devastation not only affected infrastructure, but also posed dangers to people in the area, as fallen trees and damaged power lines posed potential threats. Oh my God! Watch how he confronts the rotting white pine tree that resembles a nightmare in the forest. Looks like gravity is in his favor this time. Remember, safety is always key. The most dangerous job in the world, how to do it effectively. The large 90-foot-tall white oak I cut down in Cedar Lake, Indiana. Climbing trees to do this job is extremely dangerous and requires highly specialized skills. It should only be performed by well-trained, experienced tree climbers to ensure safety throughout the work process. This oak tree is not only tall, but also requires absolute concentration to handle accurately and effectively. Do you know what destroys it? This tree's strong exterior hides a rotten heart inside, and the lumberjack could not hide his anxiety when felling the tree without taking the minimum necessary safety measures. This job, inherently risky, becomes even more dangerous without proper preparation, and it is a reminder that caution is indispensable in every mission. Let's see how he works ambitiously. A job that needs to start with a heart check. It's breathtaking. Yes, not everyone with skills can complete the job excellently. And so is this worker. This was part of California's 2017 severe weather, when strong winds and heavy rains caused trees to fall, causing significant damage to property. It could have been a total disaster, which the excavator operator must have been. Sharp instinct to avoid that falling tree branch. It was clear that he was not suitable for this tree. Not good. And now they will have to spend even more money to repair the house. It's better to let the experts do it. That's what our guys will learn if anyone decides to cut down a tree himself, very close to his house. Failura. Oh, where can you find so many professional lumberjacks with such infinite wisdom? I think this is one of the unluckiest jobs ever. Oh my God. What a great stump remover. With just a little strength combined with this tool, even the most stubborn tree stumps will give way. No more struggling or sweating. Everything becomes incredibly easy and fast. Truly a great assistant for anyone who loves gardening or wants to clean up their land effectively. These moments show us how important safety equipment is. This is why you hire a professional. This guy is clearly not a professional. No helmet, no rigging block, strapped to the wrong place, and a pirated chainsaw. Yes, probably a wild saw. Glad to see he wasn't thrown out of the tree. He is very talented. Even inspired people about his work. It's great to see someone who knows how to get the job done. To uproot a small tree using a 5-1 pulley system. Even though I had all the equipment, I wasn't sure how to set it up effectively. It would be helpful if you could show me how to properly configure the pulley system to pull out bushes easily and safely. Cutting the top of the tree had an unexpected consequence. Fortunately, no one died and no major damage occurred. The top of the 10-12 feet tall tree almost fell on a mechanical workshop and may have fallen on a trailer loaded with heavy wooden beams. While not causing serious damage, this situation is still a reminder of the importance of doing work carefully and safely. Damned. Strong winds from storm barrel ripped off roofs, downed trees, and filled the air with debris as the storm made landfall in Carriacou. The storm's devastation caused extensive damage to the area, leaving many residents facing power outages and property damage. Logging requires skill and experience, especially when cutting trees in strong and dangerous wind conditions. Using a chainsaw, style 25, the worker must operate carefully to ensure not to damage the remaining trees below, maintain safety, and protect the surrounding environment. This remaining ancient redwood tree, located on private land and with its top missing, is 37,000 BD in height. FD and belongs to my pruning tree range. We felled the tree with a style 88 with a 60 boom and used a Sylvie Tree Saver tree jack to lift the tree up the hill, each boom capable of lifting 62 tons. The tree was divided into 20-foot lengths, with the first 2 pieces cut into 4 parts, and the remaining 2 pieces had to be torn apart so they could be lifted out by Boeing 234 Chinook helicopter. It took about 6 hours to complete the felling and lifting of the trees, and we were in no hurry because the work was always done with pleasure. Ancient coastal redwood trees have an average lifespan of 500 to 700 years. Tree cutting on a ladder failed. Here comes the HSM-60, which sets a new standard for high-flow, heavy-duty shredders for skid steers. With a capacity of 60 GPM and a shredding speed of 3,000 RPM, the machine handles even the harshest jobs well. Equipped with a replaceable slide base, bolt on rear anvil and premium welded steel frame, the HSM-60 ensures exceptional durability without causing damage to the vehicle. This is not just a shredder, but a monster that offers incredible performance and durability. Wow, a powerful and impressive forestry machine. Let's admire its powerful performance and discover the outstanding power in every movement. Every time I drive the Mercedes-Benz Arocs 3358 on snowy forest roads, I feel the intense power of a steel warrior. With a roaring 578 horsepower engine and smart suspension system, Arocs 3358 easily overcomes all difficult terrains, bringing a spirit of conquest. Mr. Wands paddled up the dead Sitka spruce behind Cold Shoulder Cafe, Jordan River, Vancouver Island, a challenging and dangerous job. With a rotten tree trunk, moving and sawing requires absolute caution. Every cut of the saw carries a risk from sudden broken branches or instability of the tree trunk, which can lead to an accident at any time. You must always maintain high concentration to ensure safety. In the world of forestry machinery, one of the notable tools is the Komatsu PC-78 Farabanchosaurus, a mini excavator, specially designed to face the harsh challenges of the deep forest. Manufactured in Japan since 2010, the machine weighs 17,200 pounds and has an engine capacity of up to 73 horsepower. With its compact size 18.4 feet long, 7.5 feet wide, and 8.2 feet high, the PC-78 is capable of moving easily on narrow and rough trails in the woods, where other devices have difficulty accessing. The historic saw and box mill, built in the early 20th century, still operates almost as it was, recreating woodworking techniques from the 1920s. With antique machines and traditional methods, each piece of wood crafted in an ancient style. A precious relic. The mill is listed on the National Register of Historic Places, preserving the memory of a golden age of the lumber industry. Cutting the top of the tree had an unexpected consequence. Fortunately, no one was injured and no major damage occurred. The top of the 10-12 feet tall tree almost fell on a mechanical workshop and may have fallen on a trailer loaded with heavy wooden beams. While not causing serious damage, this situation is still a reminder of the importance of doing work carefully and safely. Norwood has truly made a breakthrough with the OS-27 series. This sawmill is a landmark, packing cutting-edge features into an economical package. You'll get Norwood's legendary quality and performance without the cost. Designed to last and operate reliably over time, this machine is the perfect combination of strength and durability. With many years of experience, I can confirm that this is an unrivaled device. In this video, is the guy participating in a logging truck race to see who is faster? Really admire the talent of these woodturners. They work with skill and meticulousness to every detail. After cutting the trees, the next job is to stack the cut trees, preparing them for transport to the factory. This process takes place in planted forests in the UK such as Seepnock, with the goal of optimizing exploitation and protecting the environment. The process of peeling wood is an important initial step in the peeling board production process. Skilled workers with sharp eyes and skillful hands meticulously remove the hard shell, ensuring the quality of the wood inside is kept intact. Thanks to that, the finished boards will have high durability and outstanding aesthetics. Take a look at our skid steer tree tractors. This impressive tree puller will pull trees up to 8 straight out of the ground, roots and all. That means no nasty stumps to deal with later. Coming to the compact Elect80 machine, it contains outstanding power, capable of pulling logs through mud, not a simple task. With its robust design and ability to traverse difficult terrain, it tackles this daunting challenge with flying colors, proving that size is not the deciding factor in strength. Oh! This machine is truly a brave warrior, with such tremendous torque that I'm surprised the Earth hasn't fallen out of its orbit yet. Crow's Nest 2023, an intense challenge. The extension system and saw were operating at full capacity, each log being torn apart under the power of the sharp saw blade. The roaring sound as the saw blade cut deep into the tree trunk was like a fierce symphony, making the air so tense that it could cut it in half. Each cut is like a race against time, as each piece of wood is torn apart in haste and without mercy. Everything is happening at breakneck speed, with no room for error. The The Woodbine Pro 20 firewood processor was introduced at the 2012 Three-County Fair. MA capable of cutting large logs with a high-performance chainsaw. The machine can cut wood into 8-inch pieces, processed quickly thanks to a powerful hydraulic system. With its durable and sturdy construction, the Pro 20 is the ideal tool for small and large-scale firewood production. The storm caused merciless destruction, but the strong vitality of nature still continues to rise. In the rubble, we found fresh green shoots, small branches still clinging tightly to the mother tree's trunk. Cutting off damaged tree parts is a way to respect life and create conditions for new shoots to grow. The load of wood is being loaded onto the truck. Each log is stacked neatly and tightly. Workers work smoothly and in perfect coordination under drone supervision. The late afternoon light reflects on the new cuts of wood. The work gradually ends, and the log shipment prepares to leave, carrying with it the dedication and ingenuity of the miners. Mr. Lita completed the job of cutting trees up to 24 inches in diameter with a chainsaw within 4 days, achieving a volume of 318.6 cubic yards. This achievement not only proves his professionalism, but also reflects his ability to work effectively and skillfully in harsh conditions. With winter coming, the use of firewood is increasing. The Region R3 firewood processor will bring you the optimal solution for splitting firewood, bringing a warm winter. This machine is capable of splitting large logs into suitable pieces of firewood, saving time and effort. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and an automatic system, Regan R3 easily processes different types of wood, from soft to hard. Cone splitter is an important piece of equipment in woodworking, specializing in splitting large blocks of wood into smaller parts. With powerful rotating conical blades and speeds of up to 15 RPM, the machine is capable of processing 5 to 10 m of wood per hour. Mr. David is facing a large tree stump that is difficult to uproot. Deciding to try the Forestmaster farm jack, he placed the tool in position and pulled the adjustment lever. In just a few minutes, the stubborn tree stump was easily lifted without digging or using heavy machinery. Thanks to this jack, Mr. David saved time and effort, an extremely useful tool for reclamation and forestry work. Lorry Balak, also known as Santai Wang Balak, is one of the supercars of the forestry industry, famous for its outstanding power and ability to conquer all terrains. Using V10 engine by Nissan, designed for harsh environments, this truck is capable of operating on difficult terrain, making it suitable for towing heavy logs in the forestry industry. With the power of a V10 engine, it makes transporting wood easy and efficient, and is an important tool in logging activities. On a stormy night, a pine tree 0.6 m in diameter, 30 m long, and 60 years old suddenly broke. We use the Husqvarna 572 XP chainsaw with powerful X-Torque motor technology to cut and process trees. The machine helps work quickly, efficiently, and safely thanks to its superior cutting ability and advanced air filtration system. To uproot a small tree using a 5-1 pulley system, you need a precise setup to ensure success. Even though I had all the equipment, I wasn't sure how to set it up effectively. It would be helpful if you could show me how to properly configure the pulley system to pull out bushes easily and safely. After many years of cutting wood, I realized that it was a humbling experience. No matter how carefully you plan, every piece of wood is different, and every cut is a gamble. You must respect the wood, respect the forces, and never let your guard down. When the logs start moving, your experience will no longer be meaningful. Removing a cedar giant to protect power lines is a dangerous and unexpected task. With its large canopy, deep roots, and risk of the tree falling in the wrong direction, even a small mistake can lead to disaster. Each saw stroke is a stressful challenge. However, with careful preparation and skilled skills, the team of experts gradually completed the task safely. He almost lost control of the tree when the wedge popped out, but in the end, luckily, he was able to take it down. How wonderful! Oh, come on! Who would have thought he would come up with such a silly solution? Oh my God, why are you so stupid? Support tools still fail. What a masterpiece of clumsiness.
My God.
Subscribe to the channel today so you don't miss any exciting moments about the dramatic art of wood sawing. Oh my God, it's so dangerous! It is foolish to cut down trees without paying attention to surrounding electrical wires. The fire broke out fiercely, threatening everyone's lives and property. Oh no! Storm Sandy caused terrible destruction, causing trees to be uprooted and fall everywhere. Truly a challenging and magical journey. Sawing wood from tall trees is not only dangerous work, but also requires skill and meticulous preparation. The worker must use a chainsaw to cut wood, while climbing the tree and controlling each saw stroke precisely. Done. One morning, Jack received the task of cutting down a large tree near his house, which was in danger of falling into the house. He prepared all the tools, style chainsaw, axe, rope, and safety kit. Before starting, he checks and cleans the work area. Jack climbed the tree, carefully cutting branches and trunk, making sure the tree fell in the right direction. Although the work was difficult, thanks to careful preparation and concentration, he completed it safely and effectively. Very professional, right? Whoa. Oh my God! The tree collapsed just an inch away from the car. Oh, it's hard to find a professional lumberjack who possesses such limitless wisdom and skill. Storm Sandy swept through Kiryas Joel, leaving behind a scene of devastation with large downed trees entangled in power lines. The Shavram volunteer team quickly stepped in, using chainsaws to clear the path and ensure safety. Even though they face the risk of electric shock, they work tirelessly and coordinate smoothly to treat each tree one by one. Their dedication not only helps overcome the consequences, but also illuminates the spirit of solidarity in the community. Well, not everyone who possesses the skills can do the job excellently, and this worker is no exception. The transformer explosion during Hurricane Sandy in Cliffside Park, NJA horror, where the power of nature exposed unexpected devastation. This remaining ancient redwood tree, located on private land and with its top missing, is 37,000 BD in height. For it, the The tree was cut down with a Style 88 machine with a 60 gun and lifted with a Silve tree saver jack, each bar lifting 62 tons. The tree was cut into 20-foot pieces. The first 2 pieces had to be cut into 4, and the last 2 pieces had to be cut into 4 pieces. Had to be torn apart to be taken out by Boeing 234 Chinook helicopter. The whole process took about 6 hours, and we worked slowly and happily to 700 years. Oh my God, that white-haired guy is so stupid. His actions almost caused serious consequences. Oh my! Huge tree trunks fell to the ground under the decisive saws of experts. Have you ever wondered how people can cut down old trees without a chainsaw? All thanks to saws and axes. Are you ready to see how it works? Watch this video and let me know what you think. I regret not stopping him. Make your friends play on a seesaw. He did his job in an incredibly professional manner. Oh my! The way he handled the big oak tree in the gust of wind was masterful. This man clearly knows his job very well. It's sad to see a beautiful old tree taken down, but when it begins to weaken and become a threat, action is necessary. Hopefully that place will soon be covered with more green trees. Oh no, the tree fell on the house. Always check the ladder carefully before working at height. Safety comes first. He's done. Just looking at that scene is enough to make me shiver. Swinging a saw at such a height is a nightmare. Oh, our plan has failed. I think the guys tried to pull the tree by car. Wow, this homemade underbucking diagonal cutter was impressive from the first use. With its smart design and unique operating mechanism, it easily cuts wood from the bottom up accurately and efficiently. Not only does it save time, but also reduces effort. This machine makes work easier than ever. Oh no! The tree falling on the man's head was truly disastrous. What a thrill! Ancient trees fell onto power lines. Luckily, they were strong enough to withstand them. Is he a good friend? Oh my God, my heart! It was as surprising as a blow from nature that no one expected. It was a tragedy when a 14-ton sequoia tree, crystallized from the team's efforts over 10 hours of hard work over 2 days, was destroyed by fire. This is a heartbreaking reminder of the terrible destructive power of forest fires, which can wipe out priceless wonders that nature has spent hundreds of years creating. The professional sawyer was brave and decisive in cutting down the tree in a moment of breathless tension and safety.